Good day everyone, I'm Alexi. Please join my YouTube channel. We are still currently taking our lunch together. Daming tao. Ate Bing, may ice cream doon. Magpila ka doon. Maraming flavors. Ate Joy, magpila ka doon. Sure ka? Ate, may ice cream doon. Pila kayo doon. Maraming ice cream doon. Sige lang, okay lang. That's okay. No problem. Dok, we are now celebrating 71 years old. What is your message to the IBC Church and the people as well? Do you want to see something? Okay. Ate Tulab. We are now celebrating 71 years old. What is your message to the IBC Church and the people as well?
IBC, keep strong and have faith always in God. Love you, IBC.
Thank you, love. Obviously, let us continue to keep fire burning. Yes.
Nanay, kung gusto mo pa-picture dito.
Dok, karoon lang ka nagkaon, Dok?
Dong, gusto ka apretada, Dong?
Mag-announce ka. Kasi mag-announce.
Apretada pork. Okay ra ka na?
Dok, soft drinks. Coke, Sprite.
Para ko.
Sige, Dok. Water.
Okay na, para ko. Para ko.
Pastor Jan, asas Pastor Dong? Asan? Gusto niyo mapapicture? May boat doon. Papicture kayo doon.
Hindi na.
Hindi, papicture kayo doon. Ate Pearl, gusto niyo kayo mapapicture? Lahat ng members may boat doon.
Sige lang.
Oo, ha? Picture kayo doon.
Padala ka rin sa
Deacon Ale, asaan si Pastor Dong? Pastor Dong. Ko, nasaan kayo? Uwi na kayo?
Joy.
Inaanap ko si Pastor Dong. Hindi ko makita.
Pastor John.
Yeah. Si Pastor Dong. Ay, teka. Ikaw na lang mag-announce, Libby. Sa lahat ng members, sinong gustong magpa-picture doon sa boat, may free picture doon. Bakit ako? Ikaw hindi kun.
Guys, ano ba?
Daming ginagawa. Jekon. On. Okay lang sa'yo. Magpa-announce daw ba para lahat ng members yung sinong gustong magpa-picture doon. May free pictures doon. Pangit kasi ang boses ko. Pwede ikaw na lang. Lahat ng members. Huwag kang mahiya. Ganito lang. Lahat ng members na gusto magpa-picture, free ang pictures doon. May photo booth tayo sa area. Yan siya. I-announce mo lang kasi hindi alam ng mga members. Ayoko mag-announce kasi pangit ang boses ko. Ikaw kasi magandang boses ko. Ayan. Halika.
Sino pong i-approach sila, no?
Sila R3. Lahat ng members doon.
Sabi ka lang approach, R3.
Oo. Dito. Hindi interview. Hindi ito interview. Hindi. Yan. Announce mo lang sila na lahat ng magpa-pictures, punta doon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Masarap pa bang kainan natin? So, Kuya Alexis would just like to announce that we have a designated photo booth na kung sino po yung gusto magpa-picture approach lang po kina R3 doon po sa may natin, left side na
Free ang picture, walang
doon sa
bayad.
likod ng ice cream. Free lang po yung picture, ano pong bayad.
Ang bayan.
So sino po yung gusto mga avail, open na po yung photo booth. Thank you.
Thank you, Jcon Fabila. Thank you so much. Hi, Kuya Lar. Do you want to announce? Ay, sorry. O, sige, Kuya Lar, announce ko. Dito kayo.
Ang request to me, isa na service ng EcoSport, color silver, o kay General Abrante siguro yung ano, Fortuner na white, may maglabas daw. Hindi ko
Koy,
nalabas.
ulitin mo, Koy. Hindi sa nakikinig, Koy. Hindi sa
Sino
nakikinig.
yung owner ng EcoSport color silver? Please lang, kaya may maglabas. And also Fortuner color white.
Thank you, Kuya Lar. Pasa saan ka? Dito. Food. Gusto mong food? May food doon. Gusto na kayo. Ice cream. Gusto na kayo. Patuhan ako ice cream. Hi, Doc. Happy birthday, Doc.
Thank you, thank you.
We are now celebrating 71 years old. What is your quick message to the IBC and to all the congregations and the people as well?
Message siguro, let us continue to serve the Lord for the next so many years as we have served before.
Thank you, Dr. Jong Faunilian. Thank you, Doc. Very well said. Let us also continue to keep fire burning.
Yes, yes.
Tama ba?
Tama, tama.
Thank you so much, Doc. Happy birthday again.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for always subscribing me, my followers, my friends. This is Alexi from Davao City, Philippines.